Good afternoon or magandang hapon. It's Wednesday afternoon, hapon ng Miyerkules, and I have about 6 Tagalog words here that was posted from our page last week. So, let's learn how to say these words. Let's start. For our first word, we have favor. So, sa Tagalog ay pabor. Pabor. Pa-bor. Pabor. Halimbawa, you wanna say, can I ask a favor? Pwedeng humingi ng pabor? Pwedeng humingi ng pabor? And we have the word fake or sa Tagalog, peke. 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 Halimbawa, pekeng bag or fake bag. Pekeng cellphone. Fake cellphone. Or a fake smile. Pekeng ngiti. Ngiti. Or you wanna say pekeng pera. Fake money. Pekeng pera. Fake sa Tagalog ay peke. At how do you say someday? Someday, balang araw. Balang araw. Balang araw. Halimbawa, I know someday I'll be happy too. I know, alam ko, someday, balang araw, I'll be happy too. Sasaya rin ako. Alam ko, balang araw, sasaya rin ako. Puro. Puro is the Tagalog word for pure. Puro. Example or halimbawa, purong olive oil. Pure olive oil. Or you wanna say, I speak pure Tagalog. You can say it in Taglish, I speak purong Tagalog, or sa Tagalog, nagsasalita ako ng purong Tagalog. Manhid. Manhid. Manhid sa Ingles ay numb. Numb. Examples or halimbawa, if you wanna say, my feet is numb, manhid ang paa ko. Or, my arm is numb, manhid ang braso ko. Also, we use manhid to refer to someone who's being insensitive or someone who seems senseless. Example, if someone approach you and say something like, hey, how come you didn't notice I like you? Manhid ka ba? Manhid ka ba? Are you numb? At last one ay kulang or lack, miss, less, not enough. Example or halimbawa, say, this girl was talking to the guy and she said, I love you and I did everything for you, pero kulang pa. But it's not enough. Kulang pa. Another example or halimbawa, let's say, you went sa store to buy 10 boxes of chocolates, and then the 10 boxes of chocolate was given to you, or you think it was 10. You're about to leave the store, and then you check the boxes and you notice it's only 6. So you said, wait a minute, I only have 6. Kulang ng 4. Kulang ng 4. So, ayan lang para sa ating pronunciation review from Tagalog words last week. Until next time, bye-bye!